Hello, welcome, Rustin. Today we will have the discussion on the endothermic reaction. This is in your syllabus, chapter 1, chemical reaction and equations. Today we will try to learn in a short and brief. आज आप हम लोग समझेंगे क्या है endothermic. The word endo itself means inside, means absorbing. Thermic means heat, absorbing heat. Those chemical reaction where any single compound or compounds. Now I have written it here compound, and some people will get puzzled because in the case of the photosynthesis we use water and carbon dioxide in rare cases, but in most cases only single compound, they absorb heat inside and they undergo breaking into their simpler own constituent. Heat energy from the surrounding only. They will take the heat from the surrounding. Surrounding means in the form of the sunlight, in the form of the thermal energy absorbing from the atmosphere, that is the solar energy also. If it is goes for cooking the food, that is means it is absorbing something from outside, right, and breaks down into its own simpler constituent. The word endo means inside. Now see here, calcium carbonate, which is also known as the limestone, when it undergo thermal heat, means you apply it to a burner and you put in a container something like a or a test tube. Better you take in a test tube, dry test tube, calcium carbonate, it will undergo to breaking of its own constituent. What are the constituent? क्या है यहाँ पर किस पे तोड़ करके बनना है? Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide goes to the air and what it got? Quicklime or calcium oxide. Now you come to the baking soda. Baking soda also very much applicable in the baking unit, means bakery units. और इनको आप हीट करेंगे, that is also known as endothermic. Endothermic means you have to apply heat from outside. किसमें टूटेंगे वो? सोडियम कार्बोनेट प्लस वाटर प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ठीक है ना? Now when you come to the ammonium nitrate, this is a very important reaction from the athletics point of view. Who are playing sports and all, they get injured. तो क्या होता है वहां पर? Ammonium nitrate aqueous solution में क्या बनाते हैं? Ammonium ions and nitrate anions, ठीक है? तो ammonium anions क्या करता है? ये आपका वाटर से सारा हीट को वो एब्जॉर्ब कर देता है, ठीक है? तो एब्जॉर्ब करके क्या करता है वो एथलीट्स के लिए? आइस पैड. आइस पैड आप लोगों को पता होगा, आइस पैक होता है जब कोई भी इंजर्ड होता है एथलीट्स, जब उसको चोट वगैरह आता है, दे गेट इंजर्ड, तो दे यूजुअली पुट दिस आइस पैक. सो द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन इज दैट ammonium which is in the ammonium which is in the ionic form in the solution, in the aqueous solution, it absorbs all the heats from the nearby water molecules. वो सारा हीट को तान लेता है and make the water cool. That is how the ice pack are being made to help the athletes who get injured. Now next comes the carbon dioxide in the photosynthesis. You know that carbon dioxide, that's why I have written here compounds. Why? Because the carbon dioxide and water also, with the help of the chlorophyll, it undergo a reaction that is called endothermic, means it absorbs sunlight. H2 is nothing but the energy of the photons, means sunlight means photons. It gives us the glucose. Glucose is the food which the plants manufacture by themselves, and what we get in the process, we get the carbon dioxide. Now let's come to the system and we'll study. This is some time of the final and all, when we put some of the, let's say we put water here and we leave for some time. थोड़े को वक्त पे छोड़ देना ये हम लोग को water को. After some time देखिए ये beaker का water container will be less, the level will be, let's say it will decrease the level, वो कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि evaporation will take place. Evaporation will take place because from the surrounding thermal energy will strike on the outside of the container, that is the glass container, and making it heat, the temperature of the container will heat, and as a result it will go, evaporation start, that is the converting of the liquid state to the vapor state will take place, and ultimately finally you will get, there will be no more, and this process is called evaporation, means something from the conversion of the liquid state to gases to vapor state, okay? And it is basically used in what? In athletes as ice pack, okay? This is very demanding. From the solar system, solar energy, food cooking is also there. Food, people in the west countries, they use, and where there is a pollution and all, they usually use for food cooking purpose. Then in the, for certain chemical compound also they prepared in the laboratory, chemical compounds also. they use this type of the reaction. What is that? Endothermic means from inside heat is going to absorbed by the system. This is the surrounding, this is the system, and ultimately the cooking of the food or the ice pack is going to like available for you, and the food cooking also will be there. So this is a very short and brief. I have given the introduction part, and I will solve you, and I will give in the next lecture, that is part 2 of this particular. Till then, goodbye, thank you. But before that, those who are new, please subscribe my channel, and those who are old, continue to follow my lecture if you feel better. It's a very informative for you. अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है, very good, and you pass the comments in the comment box. Okay then.